Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can clone yourself in CapCut. And you can even do this with your favorite celebrity. Like for instance, you want to be in a video with them. CapCut has this really cool feature where it can remove a background by itself, but make sure your background is plain. So I'm just going to start by pressing the new project button, and I want to use this as a background, and let's just press add. And I am now going to go and press overlay right here, and I am going to pick this video. After that, I'm just going to adjust it. Okay. And I am going to go to, where is it? Remove background right here. And let's just click on this and wait for it to load. It will remove the background for you. And after that, I'm just going to want to adjust it and put it where I want it to be. So for instance, here. And let's just see how it looks. And obviously you're going to want to record a better video. This is just a stock video that I found on YouTube, and you can just choose your best video. And remember, your background has to be plain so it's easier for CapCut to remove the background. And that is basically it for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate and write it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to reply to them and help all of you. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Bye!